Hello, I guess we're live. Yes, we are. Hi, everyone. This is a new day with new setup. I haven't seen the charts for today. It's a new month. It's the May ended. It's June. It's gonna be good month. I hope we get clear. We pass our evaluation this month. But for now, let's get into our charts and let's see what we have here. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, we'll start from the weekly because month have ended. Yeah, so the higher time frame, the better knowledge. Okay, okay. Okay, so we are in a downtrend. We are bearish, and we are in a downtrend. Uh, Last month we tried to go up. We pushed above from the point we just came down. Okay, we're gonna delete these stuff. These indicators. Okay. I don't use, like I said, I don't use any indicators. I just mark my zones, and that's what I always do to take any trade. So for now, we are in a downtrend, but we try to go down from this level, but unfortunately, fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know what. So we tried to go down, but in the end, we pushed back up. We went back up and created an exhaustion wick. It's quite long wick. We tried to go down, but the buyers pulled it up, and we are above now. But now at the moment, we are creating our lower wick of the month, of the week, of the last week. Okay, so yeah, last week we did this. Now we are into this. So from from weekly perspective, we have a clean support over here, and we have a resistance somewhere over here, but we will see that in daily prime frame. So what we do is that we shrink, we narrow down our our zones so that we can take intraday trades. Okay, so we started on weekly, now on daily time frame. We have something. The story is almost, if you see, we try to go up and we came down. We went back for the retest. We came back, but we haven't break our low from this. So we creating now. If we break below this, we are in a downtrend still. But for now, today, yesterday, 2 days, we went up. Now what we are doing now is that we are bearish today. For now we are bearish. Last 2 days, the last week, we had bullish days, but collectively we can see we are consolidating. We have nothing much more to do. It's a high zone for consolidation. So right now, okay, so we will bring our resistance to this. We can The resistance is around 45, 80, 70, something like that. Yeah, so uh, this is our resistance, and this is our support on daily time frame. When we go on 4 hours, we're looking for a nice, okay, we have a support over here and a resistance over there. But if we bring it back down here, we have a support over here as well. Okay, this is on 4 hour chart. Okay, 4 hour time frame. So when we go down from 4 hour, we go on 1 hour. You can see we are decreasing. We are narrowing down our support and resistance level. It is completely from where the candles have printed against each other. We mark the zones as support or resistance. Support is something like pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. We're giving a support. See, this is what we have here. It went up, it came down, and then it went up, and it came down, and you see it's respecting this zone on 1 hour. You see, it didn't went back from here. So we are on in a support. We can take a trade over here, but we'll see. We'll complete our analysis first. Just 15 minutes, then we'll see what's happening for the charts. Um, 30 minutes. Okay, this is on 30 minutes. If we bring down our resistance to 1, you can see that we have a clean range about 130 pips. If not 130, we have about 125 pips. It's a good range if it break above, because you see it was a resistance. This candle, the previous 1 hour candle, tried to push up from this resistance zone, but it didn't. It came back. It came back in the resistance. So we are consolidating, even though it is a uh, pre-New York. We are in a pre-New York session. Mm, in about 45 minutes, we'll be having New York, not NYSE. We'll be having New York open. So it's a pre-New York. So we have a resistance over here. We have support down here. We'll keep that support over here. Okay, yeah. So on 30 minutes, we have 30 minutes like this, like this. We see this, you see, it's the picture is the lower the time frame, it gets more noisy. You get more traffic, you get more noise. So if we break above this on 30 minutes even, you see, we have a clean range, 140 pips. You see, 140 pips just here. 140 pips means we can get 80, 90 pips easily from this range. So because the the candle might print above like this or something like this. But if we break below this zone, if we have a candle printing downwards from here, ooh la la, we have a clean ducking range. Woo! It goes down almost 500 pips, more than 500 pips. I don't care about that. So, but I think it came here, it touched the support, and it's trying to break above now. We're consolidating. The moment is calling for to wait. The only thing we do the best in trading, while the thing I've learned, we are patient. So we're patient. This is okay. This is 30 minute, and when we go on 15-minute chart, this is what 15 minute is saying. We have a resistance. We will we have a resistance over here. And if we see the resistance from here to here, we have almost 132 pips. 132 pips. So yeah, we will easily get those pips if we get a good candle. You see, the previous 15 minute, it tried to go up, but it came down in the resistance. We are consolidating. Even though it pushed above, but we don't have any clear picture. But you know, it just came down. I'll show you. It just came down. It touched the support. It's uh, it's a strong support. So it just came back, made the wick down, and went straight back up in the range where it was consolidating, and then it pushed up. For now, the new candle, you see, even though the new candle has just printed, uh, we are still in the range. We are in the range the moment we get any candle like this. something like this, or something about this, because this is where the market is falling. Okay. So yeah, if the market creates a candle like this, we have a great clean chance to go up because of the support, because of this resistance. If we break above this resistance, it's a good, good chance that we go up. But for now, we are in the range. We are consolidating. We don't take any trade. We wait until we get a confirmation. Without confirmation, we don't go. The last thing we have in confirmation is 15 minutes. What do you have here? 15 minutes. I don't go lower than 15.5 or 1. I have many people who go down. Not me. I don't trust below 15. That's what I've learned, because if you go below 15 minutes, it's so full of traffic down there. You see this wick, you see this candle. Oh no, no, no. You see a candle printing downward and then upwards. It's traffic. It's traffic. But if you come on 15 minutes, you get a clean range of red traffic. You see, we can't take a sell trade from here, here. We have whenever we are looking in the charts, we look on our left side. I keep on saying this every time I come live, I do trade, I see the left side. Without looking at left, we are not taking any trade. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, it just came out. Oh, okay. I'm new to this thing. My wife just gave it to me. Okay. But I think so. I just dropped the straw inside. I can't take the sip now. I have to look at whether the straw is attached or not. I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh, the straw is attached. Sorry. My bad. I didn't knew that. Okay. Because it's quite hot, and my wife said, okay, it's a it's good to go. You don't look good with that bottle. Okay, you see now we're trying to go up because it's the pre-New York happening right now. But the water's dripping down. Ah, the water's dripping. No, it isn't. Okay, okay, okay. But we're not gonna jump in. You see the volume? It's pre-New York. We expect volume, and here we go. The volume is coming uh, on 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes gives us a very good confirmation that it's going up. Uh, but you see, if even on 30 minutes, we have a resistance over here, and the candle just came back and closed below this resistance level. Even 30 minutes is not giving us a complete clear picture. So we're gonna stick to 15 minutes. We're gonna see whether after 10 minutes it'll be it'll be. Okay. I don't know whether you can see or not, but I hope so. Yeah. Now when the the second most important thing when you're looking at charts, you look at is the forex factory. You know, something's cooking, something's manufacturing. This factory is very helpful if you're into seeders. Okay, we have a news over here. Trump, Iran really wants to make a deal, and it will be a good one for the use. And I don't know, man. I don't know. you guys already signed a deal and now you're pretending that, oh my God, we're about to take off. We're not. It's bullshit. I know you guys. Okay, we have clean range. Okay, we have item manufacturing. Yeah, it doesn't. It won't make any you know, much difference in it. So we see over here we are just in New York. We have 38 minutes, begins in 38 minutes. You can see in my screen 38 minutes left for New York to begin. I like this. I like this quote somebody just wrote here. He said, "Gold with no drama." How good it would be if the gold is with no drama. Okay, get back on chapter. Okay, see, the market is pushing, and if it closes like this and it has a upper body above this one, it's a very high chance we take a buy over here and we get 90. Like I said, if we have a clean range for 140 pips, we can get 80, 90 pips out of that. Easy peasy, peasy, peasy. Yeah, we get we get easy things on that, but we wait, 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 we wait. Gold, don't do the. I personally don't like gold when it gets out of my hand, man. If it closes like this, uh, nah, man, you're taking my trade away, man. 80 pips up. I don't like that. If you go down and close like somewhere here, I am looking for a buy. If it doesn't, I wait till the sun rises and gives me a clean ray, sunshine to take a bright light out of this night. Okay, yeah. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Why would you even do that, man? I don't understand. You shouldn't go up now. You should stay in your limits. Ah, and we have a very nice psychological number as well. Oh, you see, this manufacturing gold. I'll call that manufacture MS. Just came down. I'm sick and tired of this camera stuff, man. It just keeps going off, and I don't even know when it's off, and I just keep on pretending that oh, it's on, it's on. No, it's not on, man. See, the gold came back to its limits. I bought a new hat, a cap, peacock. Woohoo. And you know what I'm doing right now? It's written on my forehead, nothing. That's what you do when you're trading gold, man. That's what you do when you're trading gold. Uh, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay. If it closes like this, it is a perfect, perfecto, perfect setup for buys. But if we come down to here somewhere, uh, sorry, never gonna take that. No, no, no. We're not gonna take that. We are not going to take that. It is. Ah, here we have someone on my stream. Trade, please, big man. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so everyone asked me to do it in Urdu as well. I don't know why I speak English all the time. मुझे उर्दू भी बोलनी चाहिए ये ऐसा नहीं है उर्दू भी बोलनी चाहिए बट अभी ट्रेड लेते हैं आप देखें देखें हमारे साथ जमे रहिए जमे रहिए हमारे साथ जमे रहिएगा chat right chat right current viewers उर्दू अरे वाह 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 दिल ऐसे ही फेंकते रहेंगे तो बहुत प्यार जाएंगे हम आपसे okay 2 minutes 2 minutes 2 minutes are left we're gonna take a trade if the candle closes like this it is perfecto perfecto Urdu is best speak your language please okay 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 thank you so much you're giving so much like oh my god just 1 minute and we have a trade yeah so we're gonna take a trade yeah but we're gonna wait first we have to close you see this manufacturing gold don't go down just close here and we have a good bringing range of 113 pips we get 100 pips out of that oh my god that would be so beautiful okay we're pushing up brothers and sisters hello hello trade अभी लेते हैं trade अभी लेते हैं Zanali what a beautiful name it is what a beautiful name what a beautiful person my first person to watch my stream you don't you don't send me those you don't send me those chips bro okay we are in okay we just we create above Vic we go down retest this level a little down yeah 11 4 5 11 okay we're in the trade not yet but yes we are now Okay, so we have our SL. Okay, yeah, we're in the trade now. Bismillah, we're in the trade. अभी हम trade शुरू कर चुके हैं अपनी and हम अपना stop loss रखेंगे 4 5 somewhere down here. Somewhere down here. 4580. Yeah, 4580. Okay. हम अपना stop loss रखेंगे 4580. And yeah. Okay, no, 8008. Sorry, my bad. My bad. Yeah, this is our stop loss. Okay, we have our stop loss. We are $16 down. It was quick. It was quick. It was quick. So, but no worries. No worries. No worries. I was just adjusting my stop loss below this range, and it just went boom. Stupid, but stupid. Man, I should have wait. I should have wait. I did. I went inside very early. Yeah. So yeah, I went early. I should have wait. I should have let it created uh, an upper wick, but it did not. It pushed back, and it's going. It's coming back and weaker. I went. Oh, I forgot my rule. I never entered in the first one. Yeah, we wait. We wait. We can give another chance to this manufacturing gold trade because it's a good setup. I I went early. I broke my rule. I shouldn't be doing that. I should have let it created an upper wick and went down, retest the area again. I don't know why. I was excited for the trade. I became excited, and in excitement I lost the trade. This is what happens when you don't control your emotions. You don't control your emotions. You let emotions control you, and that's gone. Give give mm, uh, I think I'm sweating right now. I don't know why. Manufacturing air conditions don't even work now. I went early. I went early. It was bad. It was bad. I shouldn't have gone early. I should have waited. I should have waited, and or I could have put my stop loss below the previous candle. But we wait. We might give another chance to this trade. If that doesn't work out, I'm done for the day. I close the chart now. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Give it, give it a go. Yeah, your fans give it a month. अगर तो कह रहा था ना एसएल नीचे कर दिया था ये देख 4508 वहीं पे ही है एसएल भाई गलत इल्जाम मत तराशो bad boy. Thank, thank. We went early. That's our mistake. We shouldn't have gone inside in the first minute. That was our mistake. We shouldn't have done that. We should not have done that mistake. That's wrong. That was a bad thing. That was quick. Emotions took over. We went inside early. We didn't wait for Alpovic. That was our rule. You don't go down now, or I'll smash your face. Be near to my lips. Lips don't lie. Like, even though lips only die. Oh, lie. Don't die. Okay. Should we give another chance to this trade? Should we? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. If it closes, if it goes above now and break its own high, then and only then we're about to take the trade. Again, we will give a rest 0.5, 12.57. You see? And how many pips are we? 74 pips. We wait. We wait. No. We wait. We wait. Mm. I went early, too early with this trade. I should have waited. I could have waited. Wait. I could have stayed a bit longer, calm, and did my stuff without falling in the trap of this stupid market. But it was my own mistake. I forgot my rule and never jump in a trade in the first minute. That's what I did. And there were two mistakes I done. I did. The first mistake was that I didn't let the market create the upper wick. And the second one was that I jumped. I jumped in the market. I jumped in the market too early without looking at. Yes, yes, yes. We're not in any trade. We are waiting to give another try, but I lost. I jumped early. I could have waited. I didn't let the first minute to close. I didn't let the candle to make it upper big to mistake, and then that's all. That's what you get when you are letting your emotions take over you. FOMO is something you don't want to have. Be reasonable. We have our resistance level there. Yeah. 30 minutes. Let's see what 30 minute gave us. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Who is someone is watching current viewers? One. Hit up, hit up, hit up, hit up, hit up. Yeah. This is the first time on the live stream I had an SL. But that's okay. It's the part of the game. You don't have every day is a green day. You don't have every day a green day. You come across many red days as well. So we're not gonna wrench trade. We're not gonna let our fear or emotions take over us. Ooh. If it closes above, we have a simple rule again. We could have created our no, we would have closed 50%. Oh, that candle. That is what our rule is. You don't go down when I'm talking, bro. Stay up. Stay up. Is anybody home? 2 views, 2 in a row. That's what I like. And you see, if we break below, that means we are going down, 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 down. But, we wait. Oh, there's another viewer. Hi, viewer. Welcome to my live stream of gold. I'm doing gold. We have our first FL of our stream since we are going live. This is our first SL, 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 SL. SL, SL, SL. Is New York open now? I'm messing with my control panel. I don't know what I'm doing right now. We have created a 30-minute downward bearish candle. We are now in New York open, and we this was support. We break below the support, came down to the spot, and came back up to support. We did a resistance. I think so. I think so. This was a support. Let's see. This was a support down here. You see, this was a support over here. It break below the support. It came back and created resistance. Now it is going down. I think so. It will go down more. We have, I don't think so, but we will wait. This is not a clean range. We have almost 115 pips, 200 pips. Yeah, 200 pips. I'm not gonna jump into these. Uh, we will wait. That is we will do. That is we are. That's what we are going to do. So we are not into taking any trade right now because uh, on 15 minutes it's traffic here. On 30 minutes it's clean, but not that because it was a very major support. This support was not that, but the support was very major. It just gave us all this previous big move of this. So we are waiting. If we see on 30 minutes, if we break above this level, I'm looking for buys because 30 minute and 15 have the same resistance. There we go. We have almost 92 pips. Even though we had a stop loss below this wick over here, we were out of the trade. So it was overall that SL was fine to me, I guess. I know could go kiss me see, see, see. What we are going to do now is that if this candle break up because the New York is open and we will wait. New York is open. It's London will close in 4 hours from now, and New York is open now. Mhm. 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 Guess I Oh, I'm just singing the song "Que कैसे हुआ ये खसारा," like without with my own stupid emotions, you know. Yeah, this is better now. This is way more better. 2 minutes left. We are on our way to take the second trade for New York session because the first one fell down. Let's see what we got now. Is market gonna give us a second chance or no? Oh, why am I thinking that it's gonna go down? There is no selling for me now because I have a support over here. Okay, we wait, we wait, we wait. Yeah, the market. We wait. What happened with 1 hour? 1 hour. Bullish. 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 Uh, YouTube is not responding. Why? What happened? Battery's dead. I'm gonna recharge the battery. Yes, we are. That's why I didn't took any trade because there's lots and lots of traffic down there. Roadblock, roadblock, roadblock. No, we're not gonna go there. No. We are waiting for our setup to form. Without that, we are not gonna perform. Perform. Fur. You see, the candle has just created. Um, the candle printed bullish. Now we have a very consolidating zone right now in New York time. It's pushing, baby, pushing. Okay, it's falling. Oh my God, it's falling down, down. What happened to 30 minutes just, ooh, Okay, okay, okay. 30 minutes just closed like dodgy candle. Indecisive. The market's just jumping around. It's in consolidation form. We are waiting. We're waiting for London, New York, NYSE to open. We are waiting. Still waiting. The market is very indecisive right now. Indecisive. Because it is on a psychological number of 4,500. Strong, and the consolidation zone is about 200 pips. 200 pips. We don't care about these 200 pips, but only if we have this closing bearish. If this candle close bearish, we might be looking to go down because it created a big wick. If it closed like this, golfing the previous candle, and we are most probably going down. You see, that was indecisive. But what I what I think is that right now this 30-minute candle has not created its upper wick. So for the last 15 minutes, the candle has been down. For the next 15 minutes, I think so. I hope and I think that this candle would go up and create the upper wick. Let's see what happens. We wait, we wait, and we wait, we wait, we wait, we wait, we wait. 3 minutes to 3 minutes left for the candle to close. This is the last minute, and you see how the last minute turned out to be. That is why I prefer that 15-minute candle is the least I would go for. Below something from that, like if you see the last 5 minutes, it was no one there. It stayed here, jumped here, and just went back. So only if we break above and close, then we will for buy. Look for buys again because if I've had a stop loss below this candle over here, it wouldn't stop me out. So I was smart enough to put my stop loss and I came out early. That's what the game is about. Your psychological stop loss is no worth because when it starts trailing, you can't stop, or your mindset is not capable of okay, we're just gonna close. You're never gonna close because you will wait for it to trace it back until your account's blown. I have experienced that. You can't do that. You can't let it go like that one. If this candle break above and close, this it could be. We can give a second try and the final try of the day. Today, 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 today. Today is the day that we take it, the way that we come. Look for you, that we stay all day. No volume at all. No volume at all. You see, this is the market's pushing up. Market's pushing up. Market's pushing up higher, 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 up high in the sky. Do 12 minutes for 9 a.m. Eastern time. I don't know who you are. I will find you. I won't. That was something very unusual to say today, these days. I drink water a lot because I had to speak a lot. Nah. 10 minutes, my love. 10 minutes. On our way to close. Above. There's 2 minutes left for the candle to close. We are still waiting for any setup, but the market's consolidating. The longer it's consolidate, the bigger the moves coming. That's why that's 1 minute to go now. We are not rushing in anything because rushing's not part of the game. I did rush in the last trade that I took SL in it. Now I'm not gonna rush. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do everything the candle does, and then only then I'm gonna take a trade. Uh, and only then I'm gonna take a trade, take a trade, trick or treat. I think people mostly trick, don't treat. Every time, I don't know why, but every time the candle, this is something I don't understand what's happening. I don't know. I don't know what's happening, and it's getting boring now. I don't get any chances to trade. It's consolidating. We've been live from past, I don't know. The market's just like nothing much. Just hanging around. The market's doing like nothing much. Just hanging around. Are we gonna get any setup? I don't think so. Baby. I don't think. Market is not giving us anything. Copy. Market is, you see, for how long the market's been on 45, 49, 45, 49, 45. Wow, wow. That's why it is called a psychological number. And so how many times market have pushed above down? So market is, the buyers are trying to take over. The sellers are making it go down, but they cannot maintain it down. We wait. Que se fue pasaron, no me son de la. Okay. FBI, open up. Yeah.
Oh, hello there!
Wait a minute! Who are you?
FBI, open up!
Yeah. I'm saying this to the market right now.
FBI, open up!
Yeah. Okay, that wasn't good. Only this one is good.
Give me something great.
Mark it. Listen, mark it.
Give me something great.
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like to hear. Got a sexy ass body.
Gold is not golding.
Run.
Yeah, run up until we go. Oh, 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 oh. Market did this. What the? Okay, no use, no. Told you manufacture. Yeah. Okay. Such such a bad boy. Only thing I can say is
Fuck!
I don't know. Should I go in it or not because it's under 19 pips. Four, 4, 8, 8. Okay, we had two losses for today, and we are done for the day. It's okay. I could have closed it because the market was very volatile. 40, 15, 15. Okay, $50. It's okay. It's okay stuff for today, and we're not gonna jump in and we're not gonna trade again today. So, see you tomorrow with a good heart, or at least we put some stop loss above that. It's okay, it's fine. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. That's what we do, and that's what's the case with stuff. See you tomorrow. I'm not gonna turn on my camera because the camera's dead, the battery's dead. So see you tomorrow again. Bye.